I want to show you how to use table 4. Let's say I'm asking you to find um, a 94% confidence interval. And in order to do that by hand, you need the critical value, which is called ZC. Now, how do I find the Z-score using the table? Here is what you do. 94%, you subtract it from 100%, you get 6%. You take the 6% because it is an interval on both sides. You divide 6% by 2, you get 3%. You change 3% to a decimal, so 3% as a decimal is 0.03. Now you go inside the table and let's see, 0.03. So I need to look up, the closest value inside the table to 0.03, which is right here. It is where the mouse is pointing to right now. Now what is the Z-score? Here's how you read it. You see, if you go here, negative 1.8, you can see it, in the row where 0.0301 is, and then what's above it, 0.08. So you do negative 1.8, and then put the other 8 as the second decimal, on the second decimal place. So the critical value will be negative 1.88. When you use the formula to find E, the margin of error, you just use simply 1.88. Let's say I ask you to find, for example, an 88% confidence interval. Okay, here's what you do. 100% minus 88% is 12%. Divide 12% by 2, you get 6%. We need to look up the closest value to 6%, which is right here, 0.0594 or 0.0606. You can take either one, or you can take later the average of the two values. I'm going to take 0.0594, which is all right. Okay, let's read the value here. Okay, here is it. Negative 1.5, and then what's above 0.0594 in the first row, 6, so it's negative 1.56, which means just simply use 1.56 in the formula. I hope that helps.